In today's video, I'm going to show you how to switch between the new Outlook and the classic Outlook interface step by step. Microsoft has been rolling out the new Outlook experience, and while some users love the modern design, others prefer the familiar layout and features of classic Outlook. The good news is that switching back and forth is quick and easy once you know where to look. If you're using Outlook for work, school, or personal email and want to stay productive without frustration, this guide is for you. Before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials just like this. Now, let's get started. First, open Outlook on your computer as you normally would. This method applies if you're already using the new Outlook interface and want to switch back to the classic or legacy version. Once Outlook is open, look at the top menu bar. Along the top of the screen, you'll see several menu options. Click on the Help option in the top menu bar. This is where Microsoft has placed the setting to switch Outlook versions. After clicking Help, look through the options that appear in the menu. You should see an option labeled Go to Classic Outlook or Revert to Legacy Outlook. The wording may vary slightly depending on your Outlook version or updates, but it will clearly indicate switching back to the classic experience. Click on Go to Classic Outlook or Revert to Legacy Outlook. Outlook may ask you to confirm your choice or provide feedback on why you're switching back. If prompted, simply confirm your selection. Outlook will then begin switching from the new interface back to the classic Outlook layout. This process may take a few seconds, and Outlook might restart automatically. Once it finishes loading, you'll notice the familiar classic Outlook design, including the traditional ribbon menu and layout that many longtime users prefer. If you ever decide that you want to try the new Outlook again, you can usually switch back using a toggle or similar option within Outlook settings, depending on your version. Being able to switch between the new and classic Outlook gives you flexibility, especially if certain features or workflows work better for you in the classic version. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully switched between the new Outlook and classic Outlook in just a few clicks. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and up-to-date software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.